All right, we're talking about mental health court. We're talking about someone who's in jail and could be your loved one. Say it's your child, an adult child, and you're debating on what to do. There are two schools of thought. As soon as you get access to the person, you want them out of jail. The court knows what to do. They may place the person on a bond. You want them to get treatment. They may not be getting treatment in jail. And the way you want to get treatment is you're going to have to file a petition for involuntary commitment, or there's a direct admit. Direct admit means somebody a physician is making a referral that this person is mentally ill and they're willing to accept treatment. Involuntary means that they're not willing to accept treatment and you're forcing treatment upon that. And we'll go into that concept a little bit later on an involuntary petition for mental health. But this is a series on guardianship. My suggestion is when they're mentally ill, they've committed a crime, and they're sitting in jail, you might want to consider getting a guardianship. You might want to consider consulting with an attorney. They're at their low point. You're going to feel like you're kicking them when they're low. You need to think about a couple things. Are they taking their meds? Have they repeatedly refused to take their meds? Are they uncooperative? Are they mentally ill and lack insight into what's going on? So that's part of the puzzle, is provide decision making. If decision making is not going on, and just because they're in jail under the jurisdiction of the sheriff and the court doesn't mean decision making is going on about medicine. People have the right to say, no, I don't want medicine. I don't want medicine. You might want to think about getting a guardianship for that child. In the situation where I'm thinking of, you have an adult child, refused meds several times, committed a crime, committed several assaults, and now they're in jail. They're not going to get medicine in jail necessarily. If they accept medicine, they ask for medicine, and they have a diagnosis of mental illness, they're going to get access to medicine. But don't assume they're telling you the truth. Don't assume they're calling you up and you're having daily contacts with you. Kids lie. They're mentally ill. They may tell you bizarre things. So remember, when they're in jail, mentally ill, think guardianship. Think about guardianship to get some direction and decision making going on in somebody's life, because you need it to save their life.